In this tutorial, we will be creating different iterations of spiral staircases from the previous tutorial. By using user-defined functions, we will be able to create different iterations easily using the arguments. Firstly, we will input the necessary parameters for the staircase. We use the define function under create local, and under local code, we will write the code for our spiral staircase using a for each loop. In this case, we will have 3 arguments. We will make the origin, width and rotation of our staircase into varying arguments. We will change origin to change the location of our iterations and arrange them neatly in a grid. We will change the width to create iterations of varying step widths. Lastly, we will change the rotation to create iterations of varying steepness. We will now input the same code we used in the previous tutorial. Now, under the main code, we will define the values for our arguments. We will create a list for the values for our step width we want. To create iterations in a grid, we will need to use a nested for each loop. Within our for each loop, we will need to define the values of our arguments. Lastly, we will have to use the local staircase function. At the end we will write the code for the color gradient render.